Oh God.
I'm Miranda, and this weekend I'll be exploring Joshua Tree National Park with my boyfriend Jan and my roommate Justine. Good morning, adventurers, and welcome to Joshua Tree. Today we are doing something very exciting. We are going rock climbing. Actual rock climbing where you're all attached, and this is a really big deal because my biggest fear is heights. I can't even do miniature rock walls inside. I'm really excited to be able to conquer my fear, and I hope that it's a good day. We made it to the place where we're climbing. It's a lot scarier than I was expecting. I thought we were going to start on an easy one. It looks so scary. How do we feel?
Good.
Gearing up.
Justine, how you feel excited?
Yeah, that's my idea. I'm excited!
Oh God.
I'm already done.
I can't do it. Toss me in water.
Yeah. Despite the challenges and the self-doubt,
You can do it.
I can't. I'm not strong enough. We were all able to overcome our fears and accomplish our goals.
But you don't have to go all the way up if you don't want to.
Oh, I want to go all the way up.
Look, she's gonna make it to the top. Nice job, Justine. Nice job, son.
That was so fun and absolutely terrifying. I made it all the way to the top though, so did Justine. How'd you like it?
It was amazing, it was great, and I feel like a superwoman.
Hunter went so fast. Were you scared at all?
Kind of in the beginning and at the end on that part, but it was
Jan
fun.
did good too.
He did great. He did amazing.
I cannot believe I made it to the top. I was so terrified. Heights are my biggest fear, and to have conquered my fear and made it all the way to the top, it took me so long. Every time I took a step, I would freeze and just kind of sit there or stand there for a while. But eventually, I made it. I just feel so accomplished. I can't believe I actually made it. Conquered my fear. Now that we are all done rock climbing, we are going to go check out some of the hiking trails. We just made it to a Cave Rock Trail. It's in the Hidden Valley region, and we're excited because we just parked and we already see a cave. So we decided that we're going to try to get to the top of over here. Time for some climbs. We made it as high as we can get without having to actually rock climb like we were doing earlier, and now we're heading over to Hall of Horrors. We made it to the Wall of Horrors, or the Hall of Horrors, and it looks like there's already a lot of people rock climbing here, a lot more than at the other location. I feel like you didn't struggle as much. Yay!
From behind the shadows, shake your shame and all your sorrow. Take your place and dance out in the sun.
So Justine is up there. I think I'm too afraid. I don't know how scary it looks in the camera, but there's cliffs on both sides and I'm too scared to go. Okay, I've decided to go. I made it! I did it! it all the way to the top. I must say, I'm really conquering my fears today. I'm pretty impressed by how I keep on getting to the top of things. Justine, how was it?
It was amazing. It was nice up there.
And now we are off to our final destination, which is Keys View. Yeah, it's called Keys View. We made it to the viewpoint. From up here, you could see Palm Springs, the US-Mexico border, the Salton Sea, and so much on a clear day. Today's a little bit hazy, so it's kind of hard to see everything, but it's such an incredible view. What do you think, Justine?
It's my first time being up here, and I think it's beautiful. It's gorgeous.
We are now heading back to the house. I believe that my dad is going to take us to a place called Eureka Point in his truck. So let's go see. We're going to Eureka Peak.
What's that?
Are we going to Eureka Peak?
Yes.
The best part about Eureka Peak is the drive.
Sit close to the cab right here.
It's a long drive on a dirt road, and pretty much the entire point of coming up here, we have a lot of fun. We made it to Eureka Peak after a very fun drive. And everything right now is so yellow. It's golden hour. It's beautiful. Four-wheel drive is a must if you're going to come up here, but if you do, it's well worth it for these amazing views. Last night we couldn't find a campground, so we slept outside in the backyard in a tent. It was really nice. We made a fire, pit, and made s'mores. It was just like camping. Here's Justine. Brought you some breakfast.
Oh, stop! Thank you. Good morning.
You're welcome. And we're off on our last half day of adventures. Our first hike of the day is the Wall Street Mill. I've done this hike before, and so has Jan, and it's kind of exciting to be back on this trail because this is one of the first places I ever vlogged. I was like trying it out to see if I liked vlogging, to see if I wanted to do it when I traveled. I never actually released the video or even edited it, I don't think, but it's one of the first places that I filmed. Our first stop along the trail is this place, which is the ruins of an old house. It's pretty cool. It's cool imagining who used to live here and what their life used to have been like. We just found this old truck or this old car. This trail is really cool because you get to see a lot of old stuff that just was left here. Like that house, this car, and then also the mill at the end. And Justine's been wanting to see a car. Are you happy you got to see your car?
Yeah, it's my car. I kind of left it there.
She's been looking for it for a while. She lost her car.
I lost my car and I finally found it. Sorry. I mean, it's been 50 decades, but
according to the sign, this site was used for a lot of different things. It was used to get gold, it was a mine, it was also used as a watering area after somebody dug a well, and Native Americans used to use this area as well. And here's a look inside the mill. It's even possible to go all the way up these stairs and go to the top. I've done it before. I don't think I'm going to today. I'm by myself. I don't want them waiting for me. If you come, you could try to go all the way up the stairs. It's pretty cool. Time to head back. My favorite part about this trail is the history that you get to see and the way people used to live. There's lots of plaques that will explain gunfights and stuff, and also just the old cars, the old mills, the houses. You just get to see the remnants of a life people used to have here. We made it to White Tank Campground, where we finally found a campground. A little too late. And now we are looking for some arch. What is it? It's like an arch rock.
Yeah. Ta-da! It's the arch mod.
All these brave people going to the top. Tell Justine she should go to the top. Justine, go to the top.
I don't know.
So I went over there and I tried to be brave, but I didn't make it. I hope you saw my head popping through though. Now there's one more location, so see you soon. Our last stop is this little cactus shop to get some little plants to take home with us.
I had that. Did die.
You picked this one.
So I decided to get this one. It has a pretty cool pattern on it. And I just want something that's kind of go over, like plants that kind of go over the pot. So yeah, it's cute.
We are so excited about our new plants. Now it's time to go home, so I will see you on the next adventure.